back to Winners Capsule. Today we'll discuss some important questions for various PSC and UPSC exams. Moving to the first question. As per a notification recently published in the Gazette by the Union Water Resource Ministry, the new chairman of Kaveri Water Disputes Tribunal, that is CWDT, is A. Justice B.N. Kripal, B. Justice B.S. Chauhan, C. Justice Abhay Manohar Sapre, and D. Justice B.N. Krishna. Answer is option C. Justice Abhay Manohar Sapre. Justice Abhay Manohar Sapre has been appointed following the resignation of Justice Balveer Singh Chauhan. Justice Balveer Singh Chauhan is currently the chairman of Law Commission. We'll discuss with the next options, that is Justice B.N. Krishna. Full name is Justice Belur Narayan Swamy Sri Krishna. He had headed the Sri Krishna Commission from 1993 to 1998. Sri Krishna Commission had investigated the causes and apportioned blame for the Bombay riots of 1992 to 93. He is currently the chairman of Financial Sector Legislative Reforms Commission. Then next is Justice B.N. Kripal. Full name is Justice Bhupendranath Kripal. He was the 31st Chief Justice of India. So, the new chairman of Kaveri Water Disputes Tribunal is Justice Abhay Manohar Sapre. Moving to next question. The 9th schedule was introduced in the Constitution of India during the Prime Ministership of A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Lal Bahadur Shastri, C. Indira Gandhi, and D. Morarji Desai. Answer is option A. Jawaharlal Nehru. 9th schedule, it was introduced through the Article 31B by the first Constitution Amendment Act of 1951. So, 9th schedule was introduced in the Constitution of India during the Prime Ministership of Jawaharlal Nehru, and it was introduced through the Article 31B according to the Constitution Amendment Act of 1951. Third one, the Global Competitiveness Report is published by A. International Monetary Fund, B. World Bank, C. World Economic Forum, D. United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. Answer is option C. World Economic Forum. This Global Competitiveness Report, it is an yearly report that is published by the World Economic Forum. Since 2004, the GCR, that is Global Competitiveness Report, it ranks the countries based on the Global Competitiveness Index, that is GCI. So, the Global Competitiveness Report is published by World Economic Forum. Fourth one, which article of the Constitution safeguards one's right to marry the person one's choice? A. Article 19, B. Article 21, C. Article 25, and D. Article 29. Answer is option B. Article 21. Right to marry is a part of the right to life under the Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. Fifth one, which is the first Indian language to attain classical language status? A. Urdu, B. Hindi, C. Tamil, and D. Telugu. Answer is option C. Tamil. Government has declared Tamil as the first classical language in 2004, then Sanskrit in 2005. So the first Indian language to attain classical language status is Tamil, followed by Sanskrit. Sixth one, the Indian flag with the tallest flag post is located in A. Attari, B. Kolhapur, C. Ranchi, and D. Delhi. Answer is option A. Attari. The tallest flag is hoisted at India-Pakistan border in Attari, and it has a height of 360 feet. Seventh one, Avahan, the Indian segment of Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, is engaged in the prevention of A. Dengue, B. Polio, C. HIV or AIDS, and D. Filariasis. Answer is option C. HIV or AIDS. Avahan is an initiative sponsored by Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation in order to reduce the spread of HIV in India, and it has begun in 2003. Eighth one, National Sample Survey Office was established in the year 1950, 1951, 1952 and D 1953. Answer is option A 1950. National Sample Survey or NSSO. It was established in 1950 in order to conduct large-scale sample surveys throughout the country. Ninth one, Sarojini Naidu was elected Congress President at A. Madras Session 1925, B. Bombay Session 1934, C. Kanpur Session 1925 and D. None of these. Answer is option C, Kanpur Session 1925. 10th one, which city is also referred to as Pump City? A. Coimbatore, B. Villupuram, C. Erode and D. Salem. Answer is option A, Coimbatore. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.